Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to recover a lost root password. Now sometimes we want to execute certain commands with the root user privilege, but somehow we forget the root user password. Now how can we recover the root user password? So in this video I am going to tell you the steps by using which you can recover your root user password even when you don't remember your current root password. Now I'm going to perform these steps on RedHat, but whatever I'm doing will be applicable for RedHat, CentOS and Fedora. Remember, the process will begin as soon as your RedHat starts. So you need to follow every step right from the beginning. So I'm going to start the machine. The very first step will involve the use of the arrow keys. The moment the machine is turned on, there is a timer that you can see at the bottom of the screen. Okay, to stop that timer, you need to press the down arrow key or any arrow key, right? Now the next step is we need to select the default bootloader entry. So in this case, it is the first one. Okay, so that's why my selection is the first one. Now we need to press E. Look at the bottom, it says press E to edit the selected item. So we need to press the key E. So once I press E, you will see something like this. Alright, now go to this line X. Okay, starting with line X. So keep your cursor here, and now I need to go to the end of this line. Okay, the end of this line. So press the end button on your keyboard, end button. So you can see that the arrow has moved to beyond this point quite. Okay, make sure your arrow is after this quite word. So this is the end of the line which begins with the word line X. So after this word quite, you need to write rd dot break. Okay, be very careful that you write it here only. Now press Ctrl X. You can see here Ctrl X. So once I press Ctrl X, now you are at the switch root command prompt. So the first thing you need to write here is mount -o remount rw space /sys root. Make sure you don't do a typing mistake. So again, mount -o remount rw space /sys root. Press enter. One more command you need to write here, chroot space /sys root. Once you press enter, your command prompt will change. Now at this command prompt, you will issue the command password, and now you will be able to change the root password. So it is asking for the root password. So it is not asking what is the current root password, okay, the new one, whatever you want to set. So type anything, whatever you want, type it again, and now your root password is changed. Okay, but there are few more steps to do. This is the most important step. You write touch /dot auto relabel. Touch /dot. Dot is very important, don't forget dot. Auto relabel, make sure your spelling are correct. Press enter. Now write exit. Exit one more time, and now your system will reboot. Okay, now it is going to take some time. Okay, so you have to wait for 2-3 minutes so that the system reboots. Sometimes it might take more time, so just wait patiently. It will restart depending upon the file size and the hard disk speed that your system have. So now you can see that the system is rebooting, and now you are free to log in with your new root user password. So here's the recap of all the steps that we have done. Boot up your system, press any key to interrupt the countdown. Then use up or down arrow keys to highlight the default bootloader entry. Once you have selected that, press the E button. Then go to the end of the line that started with Linux and end with quiet. So you can go to the line starting with Linux and press the end key. Once you are there, you need to write rd.break. Next, press Ctrl X. Then you will see the switch root prompt. Then you type these two commands. Be sure that you are not doing any typing mistake. Then your prompt will change again. Then you use the password command and you can reset the root user password to whatever you want. Once you have done that, type these three commands one by one and then your system will reboot. It will take some time to reboot depending upon the configuration of your system. And once it reboots, you are free to log in with the root user with the new password that you have just set. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video and now you will be able to reset your password whenever you forget it by chance. So keep watching this tutor. Please subscribe and share. See you in the next video.